In this video, I will show you NextLabs SkyDRM's feature to work with Microsoft Information Protection Sensitivity Label and OneDrive. SkyDRM provides persistent data protection for secure collaboration with internal users and external partners. SkyDRM Desktop seamlessly integrates with Microsoft Information Protection (MIP) Sensitivity Label to protect Office files automatically with digital rights management, and the DRM protection stays with the files when they are synced to OneDrive Cloud. To begin, let's view the demo setup. For this use case, we will use Azure Information Protection Client to classify files with sensitivity label. We will copy the files into a pre-configured folder. Here you will see that the files are protected automatically by SkyDRM Desktop based on the sensitivity label in the files, and the DRM protection stays with the files when they are synced to OneDrive Cloud. The document classification sensitivity has 4 labels: public, confidential, secret, and top secret. User John Tyler is used in the demo. John Tyler is in USA and in Program A. 3 policies are created for the demo. Policy 1. Allow user in USA and in Program A to view and edit secret data. Policy 2. Allow user in USA and in Program A to view, edit, and save as confidential data. Policy 3. Allow user in USA and in Program A to view top secret data. Now, let's move into the demo. I am logged into SkyDRM as John Tyler. I have already set up the work folder as a special SkyDRM folder. When an Office file with extension docx or xlsx is copied or moved into this work folder, the file will be protected automatically by SkyDRM. The file extensions that are not in the list of file extensions configured for work folder, such as pptx extension, will not be protected by SkyDRM. If the Office file has MIP sensitivity label, the sensitivity label will be used as the classification on the protected file. In the case where the Office file does not have MIP sensitivity label, the default sensitivity label with value confidential will be used as the classification on the protected file. I have also set up a work folder in OneDrive to make it available on demand in OneDrive Cloud. The files in the work folder will be automatically synced to the OneDrive Cloud. As you can see, there are 4 files in the folder. The files are given a simple name for demonstration purposes to make it easy to follow, but in real life, you will want to name files with a convention that follows your organization's best practices. Let's right-click and select Classify and Protect to check the sensitivity labels of these files. For the PPT sample with MIP secret label PPTX, the sensitivity label is secret. For the Word sample with MIP secret label docx, the sensitivity label is also secret. The Word sample without MIP label docx does not have a MIP sensitivity label. Lastly, for the XLSX sample with MIP top secret label XLSX, the sensitivity label is top secret. Now, let's copy the 4 files and paste them into the special SkyDRM work folder. The docx and xlsx files are automatically protected by SkyDRM. You can see the SkyDRM emblem here. However, the PPTX file, PPTX sample with MIP secret label, is not protected by SkyDRM, since PPTX file extension is not in the list of file extensions configured in work folder. Let's check John Tyler's permissions on the protected files. We will see that the permissions of the files are as defined by the policies. The Word sample with MIP secret label is protected with secret MIP sensitivity label. Here, you can see that John Tyler has view and edit permissions. The word sample without MIP label is protected with confidential MIP sensitivity label. For this, John Tyler has view, edit, and save as permissions. The XLSX sample with top secret is protected with top secret MIP sensitivity label. John Tyler has view permissions. Let's access OneDrive online and go to Work folder. Here, we can see that all 4 files are synced to OneDrive online. The 3 files, word sample with MIP secret label, word sample without MIP label, and XLSX sample with top secret remain protected as seen by the .nxl extension. With this, we conclude our video on NextLabs SkyDRM Desktop feature to work with MIP sensitivity label and OneDrive. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to the NextLabs channel and stay tuned for more data-centric security videos.